Hi everyone, welcome back to PTE Prep Like a Pro. We all love a tip, so I'm here today to give you 7 tips that you can use to ace your PTE test. If you like this video and are looking for more top tips, check out my other videos or even subscribe. We have loads of helpful information and preparation tips that you can use to really get the scores you need. Now let's get stuck in. Tip number 1, punctuation precision. Master the art of punctuation in writing tasks. My top tip, use full use of the correct punctuation in all tasks. Nail the full stops, capitalize your words correctly, and use commas with precision. This will help you to deliver your message really clearly and hold on to those precious marks. Tip number 2, make sure to align your answer with the question's topic. Stick to what the question is asking you. Relate back to the topic. So for example, if the answer is about sports, then don't answer about science. Relate it back to the question. Tip number 3, stick to the word limit. Check the word limit requirements in questions and make sure that your answers are really concise and fit within that limit. Tip number 4, keep the mic alive in the speaking tasks. Carry on talking. Keep your words flowing and don't let there be any more than 3 seconds of silence. If this happens, the mic will turn off and it will stop recording and you're going to miss out on some crucial marks. So remember, be confident, speak up, and keep the mic alive with your words. Tip number 5, capitalize strategically. As I mentioned earlier with the punctuation section, this is really important. Use your capital letters with purpose. But an important note, do not write your answers in all capitals. Instead, reserve capital letters for the start of sentences, names, and every other essential instance. Tip number 6, real-time responses. Craft your responses on the spot during the test. This is a really important one. Avoid pre-prepared answers and templates. Instead, let your creativity shine through. Answer as naturally as possible, and most importantly, be yourself on test day. And last but not least, tip number 7, navigate your test carefully. What I'm saying is, don't be trigger happy with the next button. During tasks, make sure to move forward only when you are ready. If you click the next button and you haven't finished your question, there is no way of going back. Read through carefully and click next only when you're finished. So that's it, my 7 top tips for acing your PTE test. These and more can all be found on the PTE preparation area of the website, so make sure to check it out. See you next time.